Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn on your Ps5 and make sure you're signed into PlayStation Network. A stable internet connection and the latest system update prevent hiccups. Once done, press the PlayStation button to open the control center, then select the magnifying glass search icon to start. You'll immediately be prompted with an on-screen keyboard. Type keywords for a game, app, or topic. This gets you into the system search flow fast, so you can filter and refine results next. After entering a query, make sure to refine results by using the built-in filters. Switch between games, media, store, and social to narrow results quickly. If you want exact matches, type quotes or more specific terms. This reduces noise and surfaces the content you need faster. You can also press the microphone on a compatible headset for voice search, or use the on-screen keyboard shortcuts to jump between suggestions. Once you see the item you want, select it to open its page or the linked web content. When you open a result, you can press options to add games to your library, pin apps to the home screen, or open linked web pages where available. This makes returning quicker. Make sure to use Share or Create to capture screenshots or copy page links for later. If search returns no results or loads slowly, restart the console, verify system and app updates, and check your network settings. Clearing the DNS or reconnecting the router often resolves persistent connection or loading problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.